Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video here on RDOverland, and today we're going to be installing these Apex AutoLYNX sway bar disconnects. So let's get this thing unboxed and let's put it on the Jeep. Alright guys, so this is what was in the box. As you can see, we have the hardware, the two links, and a pretty detailed instruction manual. It has illustrations on them, so you can't get this wrong. And the links are actually very, very nice. It almost looks like an airplane part. So let's head over to the Jeep and let's get it installed. All right, so here we are in front of the Jeep, and I should have plenty of room to remove those links right here without removing the wheel. So let's get going. We're going to use an 18mm wrench to remove the top part of the sway bar link, and we're going to have to hold it with an Allen key. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, now we're going to move on to the bottom, and it's the same wrench, 18mm. So we're going to use our impact drill, hold this one, just like that. And there you go. Sway bar link is out. All right guys, now that we have the old sway bar link out, we have to set the proper length on the new sway bar. So to do that, you're going to locate those little arrows right over here, and they point up and down. So we have to measure the old sway bar from center to center and set the proper length with the snap ring. So our old sway bar was about 7.5 inches long. So the next groove where we're going to set the snap ring is going to be over here at 7.2. That would be the closest one. So I already went ahead and I set the snap ring at a proper length. And now what we have to do is just place the upper ring right over here to lock it in place. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, now that we have everything preset and adjusted, let's put it on the Jeep. We use the old hardware on the bottom. Alright guys, there you have it. A brand new Apex sway bar disconnects. It took us about 30 to 40 minutes to get it installed. And all you have to do is just turn this little knob up here, and now the sway bar is disconnected. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.